Presenting like a damn pro, 3 brutal truths you need to hear. All right, let's be real. Most presentations are a cringe fest. Flat energy, stiff delivery, and slides that are slowly murdering everyone's will to live. But here's the truth. The way you present is the difference between a hell yes, take my money, or I'll think about it, bye. And most people, they're doing it all wrong. Today, I'm going to give you 3 brutal truths about presenting, because if you don't fix these things, your message is dead before it even begins. Let's dive in. Number 1, nobody cares about you until you make them care. You see, most people start their presentations like this. Have you probably heard this before? Probably. Hey everyone, I'm so excited to be here. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. Blah, 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 blah. And the audience already checked out. They're gone, on vacation. You've got 10 seconds to hook them. And the hard truth, nobody cares about you. They care about what's in it for them. The fix, open with a gut punch hook. So instead of, hey guys, my name is blah, 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 start with this. Have you ever felt like you're talking and nobody's listening? That's because your presentation is broken. Let me show you how to fix it. All right, do you see the difference? Instant tension, instant curiosity, instant engagement. Number 2, your energy is the room's energy. Here's the brutal truth. Brutal. If your energy sucks, the room energy also sucks. You set the tone. If you're flat, nervous, monotone, your audience absorbs that and tunes out. If you're energetic, dynamic, and unpredictable, they lean in. So the fix is this: match your energy to your message. If you're talking about excitement, urgency, or transformation, friggin' show it. If you're talking about pain, struggle, or tension, slow it down and let them actually feel it. So here's a good example. My bank account dropped day after day, and I was watching numbers shrink while just my anxiety was growing. I woke up every morning with this pit in my stomach, knowing I had less time and fewer options and no real plan. And one morning I woke up with a notice on my phone, which literally made me throw up. And I had to tell my wife the truth. So I walked through the door, cotton mouth and just sweaty. And before I even said anything, she knew it. She saw it on my face. She saw it in my expression. And I told her, they're 30 days from taking our house. And that's when I just saw the light in her face drop. And I knew I had to do something about it. Okay, that's how you create presence. That's how you pull people in, okay? Number 3, tension equals attention. The best presentations feel like a damn Netflix series, not a Wikipedia page, okay? Tension keeps people on the edge of their seats. And if you're just delivering facts, you're losing them. That's right over their heads. Every story, every concept needs a twist, a cliffhanger, a moment of what happens next. The fix, add open loops and surprises instead of, here's what I'm going to tell you today, try this. Instead of, here's what I'm going to tell you today, try this one. There's one mistake almost every presenter makes, and it's killing your results. I'll tell you what it is in a second, but first, see that? That's tension. That's what keeps them hooked. All right? So here's the deal. If your presentation isn't grabbing attention, commanding energy, and building tension, you're wasting your time, okay? Here's a quick challenge for you. Go back to your last presentation. Did you hook them in the first 10 seconds? Did you bring energy? Did you create tension? If not, it's time to fix it, okay? So here's what you do. You like, subscribe, and comment, and let's make you a damn pro at presenting.